Hey guys, I hope you all well. As you see, I'm not wearing any makeup because today we're gonna be checking out another new product. At least it's a brand new product for me. I think it's been on the market already for a month or so, maybe a bit longer. I don't know. I'm a bit slow with getting new products, I'm sorry. But nevertheless, gonna be a proper first impressions review. So I always start my makeup from my brows. Got this brand new NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pen Micro Brush Tip for hair-like strokes. Feathery brows been super popular recently. My brows are quite bushy though, but it does like some hair like in here and at the tail, so I think this might be super helpful. I don't have any brow product just now, so my brows looks like this. Without any further ado, let's open this up. It's brand new. I got in the shade caramel as I think it should match me, but then who knows. Oh, I love the packaging. It looks exactly the same as the Epic ink liner. Just look at that. So similar, isn't it? The tip is super precise and super teeny. Swatch, I have the shade caramel, as I said. The shade might be slightly bit too light for me. Might have a mistake, but we'll see. Yeah, the tip is super precise, so very easy to use. I think I probably took a bit too light shade for me. I mean, look at that. I really like that it's actually bristles rather than like a spongy applicator, because I really don't like spongy applicators whenever it comes to the eyeliner or this like brow product. Let's try this in action and see how good or bad it is. Oh, the color is definitely slightly bit too light for me. Maybe we can match this. Yeah, I would need a slightly bit darker color. So I got this online, so it's kind of hard to match the actual color. And I haven't seen like a proper swatches on a person, if that makes sense. Definitely does that, but no. Wrong shade. You know what I don't like a bit about this product? The color runs out very fast from the tip. You see how white is the tip? So maybe if I'm shaking, the color would appear back. I mean, the color is purely my mistake. The color is so off. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just brush it up and zhuzh it up. So the color maybe will mix in a bit. But other than that, definitely wrong choice of color. Oh my god. Just gonna use brow glue. I'm a bit disappointed. I'm not gonna lie, I cleaned it all off because I thought the brow glue will help the situation, because the color that I picked is really incorrect for me. I mean, it just doesn't match my natural brow color, because this is my natural brow color. I haven't tinted my brows in a month now, if not longer. So this is like my color, you know, and the shade is more like a very light brown, although when I was buying online it looked way much darker to me. Therefore I went for this. So I needed to clean it all off, because once I start brushing with this brow glue, the color starts changing to more like a red color. So I thought that my skin started being red. Maybe I'm brushing too hard with this tiny brush, this brow glue on, and I was like, it doesn't look right. So I just clean it all off and then use the brow glue by NYX and the micro brow pencil by Revolution Pro in a dark brown, and I think my brows looks way much better. So I still have these swatches on the hand. Let's see if it's smudge proof and all. Let's just see. Let's just try to smudge it, so we would see how long this would last on the brows. I don't think it's smudging at all. It's like still the same. So for that reason, it's definitely thumbs up from me, but it's the wrong shade, obviously. Yeah. That would be an amazing product if I would have taken proper shade. I'm a bit disappointed in myself because it's Clearly my mistake for picking the wrong shade. Probably needed like a dark brown or something. If you're gonna go and use this pen, because it looks like it's an amazing thing, Lift and Snatch, and you're gonna use the brow glue as you're going for more feathery look, use a brow glue first. That would be my advice. And then go in the strokes where you're missing here and you want to fill it, because I use this first and then I went with the glue, and this brow glue just kind of smudged it all off and just looked red, because somehow it changed to a more red color. Therefore I was like, what's going on? It's a good product. I picked up the wrong color. As you see, it's super smudge proof. I mean, it's still in there. Check colors properly before you buy. Don't do my mistake. Don't think that it's gonna be like a darker brown. Product itself is amazing because you can see it's smudge proof, so I'll let you decide if you're up for this or no. Leave a comment down below, let me know if you guys maybe tried this and if you picked up a correct color and it, you know, worked for you properly, and what you like to see next up on my channel. Should I do more product reviews or more makeup tutorials? Don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, very important part, also free, doesn't cost you a penny, and I shall see you very soon. So thanks so much for watching and bye!